What's up, people? Yu-Gi-Oh! Master 88 here with a start of a new something new on my channel. This is the other topics that I mentioned in my update video. Yes, Linux news is now going to be a part of my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, what's a nice good little article to read up first? Oh, well, since we'll go with this one. Okay, people. Peppermint 9 offers some cool new options. Well, why don't we take a look, shall we? Peppermint 9 released June 22nd. Approaches something most other Linux distros don't. It melds the best components from other desktop environments and integrates them into a solid operating system, which is true. I've been using Peppermint for a little while now, and I will say one thing: it is an awesome operating system. If you're new to Linux, or if you've just heard about Linux, you need to try this operating system. It is fantastic. But anyway, back to the topic at hand. Peppermint OS is a lightweight Ubuntu-based distribution featuring a desktop environment mashup of both XFCE and LXDE components. The latest release nearly completes a process begun several upgrades ago, using more XFCE elements and fewer LXDE components. Peppermint is a good alternative to the Linux Mint XFCE released with a sprinkling of cinnamon to spice up the desktop a bit more. Peppermint also uses ICE, a cloud and web application management tool, which makes the operating system refreshingly different, which is true. A site-specific browser, or STB for short. ICE lets users easily create a launcher that connects to a website with desired content or services, whichever one you prefer. It enables Peppermint OS users to connect to cloud applications and internet URLs by clicking on menu items ICE adds. It also makes it possible to run apps without consistently being tethered to the internet, which is really cool. That's cool. Given its Debian and Ubuntu roots, Peppermint 9 does not offer a radical change for most users, with possible exceptions being those coming from Arc or Fedora or RPM-based distributions. Peppermint 9 is based on Ubuntu 18.04, which Ubuntu is awesome, by the way. Go check that out too. Long-term support and features only several small changes over 8, released a year ago. Combine all of what Peppermint 9 offers, and you get a Linux distro that is familiar and comfortable to use, as well as one with a collection of tools and tweaks not duplicated elsewhere. The result is an almost hybrid distro with its own unquote flavor, which is really true, which is very, very true. I mean, the rest of the article explains more details about this. But anyway, my thoughts on Peppermint exactly. I've used it for a little while, and it is one of the most, in my opinion, one of the most lightweight and powerful distros that has ever been released. It's really good. Really nice. But anyway, let's see if we can find another article, shall we? I think I can do one more. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Modica OS. Ooh. This one sounds pretty interesting. Every once in a while, I stumble on a distro that makes me sit up and smile. Modica OS is one of them. It is not that Modica steps over the bleeding edge of innovation. It is a seemingly standard desktop Linux distribution based on Xubuntu. It comes in one desktop flavor, XFC, but with a twist. Yet nothing is standard about Modica OS. That is what generates the happiness. This distro takes one of the oldest and most reliable desktop environments and adds features and conveniences that make using it seem like something brand spanking new. Now, let's take a look at this picture, shall we? Oh, this seems pretty cool. Huh. Well, very interesting indeed. I mean, you could see it from the menus, you could see it... Huh. The way it looks, it's like... The way it looks, in my opinion, I mean, you got the, on the very right-hand side, you have a little tiny bit of GNOME going on, or a GNOME feel. On the upper hands, on the top, it reminds me of the Unity search tool a little bit. That's really interesting. And on the side here, nice dock. Very nice dock. This is really cool. Very cool. Modica OS Ultimate 18 long-term support is a new corner to the land of Linux distros. Having been released just last month, this new member of the GNU Linux family was created by professional media users for professional media users. It is the brainchild of an Italy-based developer community headed by the Modica Web Design and Development Company. Modica is a general-purpose optimized computing platform that just works right out of the box. For use in every field, amateur or professional. Simplicity and finesse. Modica is a workhorse distro for those who have I can't pronounce that word for the life of me. Pungent, yeah. Have a pungent for audio and video tasks. It provides top-notch free software and for graphic, video, and audio performance with interactive menus. However, nothing gets in the way of users who need a solid platform for office operations or general everyday business or personal use. Modica comes with a recovery tool and automatic PC optimization, all with graphical user interfaces that eliminate the need to open a terminal window. That is amazing. That is amazing. A distro that uses less terminal work, good job. Very good. I may actually try this in a virtual machine just to see how it does. Very good. Well, even though I haven't read the whole thing, but mostly the rest of it's saying is, basically, you can use the distro however you want. Here's the everything right here. This is Modica itself. Okay, so basically, it is basically in a Mac-like. It basically has a Mac-like style to it. So if you're coming from a Mac, this would be perfect for you. Or if you just have a Windows machine and want the Mac feel anyway, this will be a good start for you too. But I think anyway, Modica OS looks really good to me. I mean, very good. I mean, this is just amazing. I mean, these screenshots here are just amazing. I like the layout and stuff. That's it. But anyway, people, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and until next time, This is Yu-Gi-Oh! Master 88 saying see you in the next duel arena.